everyone. Today we're diving into the L&T approach to crafting summaries. We'll focus on one single technique, breaking down texts into manageable sections to clear summarization. One crucial technique for crafting effective summaries is the division of the text into sections. Here at L&T, we're all about breaking things down to keep it easy peasy for you. Let's make learning a breeze together. By breaking down the content, we can better understand and summarize complex text. Before we dive into our example, let's clarify what we mean by section in a text. A section is a distinct part or segment of a text that focuses on a specific topic, idea, or event. Dividing a text into sections helps us organize information and makes summarization more manageable. Now let's prepare to craft our summary of the first page of Gulliver's Travels. I encourage you to read the text provided hereafter multiple times. Pay attention to key vocabulary and concepts. Take some time to check the meaning of any unfamiliar words or phrases. Understanding the vocabulary is crucial for accurately summarizing the text. Now, pause the recording and spend some time in reading the text. Now that you've read the text many times, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start working on that summary. But why is summarizing a text so important, you might ask? Well, summarizing is a key part of analyzing a literary text. It helps understand the main ideas, themes, and characters more clearly. Here we have a table that breaks down the first page of Gulliver's Travels into sections. Each section is numbered in the first column and shows where it starts in the second column and ends in the third column. The fourth column gives a summary of what each section is about, while the last column provides a title for easy reference. Let's take a closer look at column 3. You can see that each section is divided into subsections. This trick serves two aims. On the one hand, we ensure the number of sections stays within a reasonable limit. On the other hand, we stay true to the text. Now let's examine the table with useful expressions. As you can notice, these expressions are divided to match the sections of the text, but you can use them to summarize any text. Stop the recording again to read them carefully. You may also want to jot down some notes so you can use these expressions in other situations. Here you can see the resulting summary crafted by using the technique of the division into sections and the useful expressions together. Remember that this is just one way to do it. You can also try using other useful expressions to come up with your own summary. Let your creativity flow and craft your unique summary. So lovely learners, that's all for the moment. I hope this presentation will be a game changer for you. Remember to stay engaged and keep practicing your summarization skills using the L&T approach. Until next time on L&T, stay lit and keep learning.